Welcome back to another video, fellas, ladies, everybody watching. If you're watching on the continent, I hope you have captions, you can understand me. But bought a welder and it's been sitting here for 2 weeks. Why? Because we went from hey to running work-wise. It was crazy. It was a crazy 2 weeks. But today I'm going to attempt to put wire in the feed. For my first wire, I'm going to use hold on, flux core wire. Yeah. So let me flip y'all around so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and everybody can comment and critique and tell me, oh no, don't do that, no, because this is my first time setting up a welder. First time, you know, like the first time. Anyway, we're not gonna go there. So flip y'all around and we get this going. They say you shouldn't turn your back to the camera when you're recording the video, but hey, I'm not. So I'm going to say, this wire's thick. I don't know. We might have a problem. Should have got some cutters. I'll do that. Now, without reading the instructions, I do know that. What do I know? I know something. That you're supposed to oh, that probably shouldn't happen. Oh man, see, I'm already messing up. But I gotta take this off. Spring, nut, holder. Pop this in here. Okay. Holder. Spring. Nut. Now, mind you, I saw this on TikTok, but bought it off of Temu. The one on TikTok was all the way up to $222, or $187 or some crazy crap. But on Temu it was $122, and I sold mine for $150 with the cart. I'm kind of regretting now. Okay, that's done. And I know you're supposed to plug it in, which I have not done as yet. Number 220, extension connector, 210. I'm supposed to connect it. That's how I use this, doing it. Alright, I'll reel this all the way out. I'm going to plug this in for the first time and turn it on. Let's see what happens. It's plugged in. And it's on. Just gonna do it. Screw the trigger, bring the wire. Let's see if that works. Alright. Where are you? I can feel it. Yep. Here it comes. Wondering if I don't have the right tip on here. Ah, there we go. And I was correct. It's not the right tip. Aha. Now I'm ready. Because this is going to be traveling with me a lot. Here, home. Just so I can keep practicing. Turn it off. Seems like it takes a while to shut down. Yep. Voila.